Every day, millions of bananas are enjoyed by people all over the world, from breakfast tables to smoothie bowls. But the journey of a banana from tropical plantation to your kitchen is far more complex, fascinating, and meticulous than most of us ever realize. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into the incredible process of how billions of bananas are harvested, processed, shipped, and finally delivered to supermarkets and homes worldwide, uncovering the machinery, labor, and logistics that make this global fruit industry possible. Starting right at the very beginning with the banana plant itself, which is often mistaken for a tree but is actually an herbaceous plant that can grow anywhere from 6 to 20 feet tall, depending on the variety, climate, and soil conditions, with its large, broad leaves capturing sunlight and its sturdy pseudo-steam supporting massive bunches of bananas, sometimes weighing up to 100 kilograms per stalk. And it all begins with the flowering of the banana plant, which produces a long purple-red inflorescence known as the banana flower or banana heart, from which the individual banana fingers start to form in clusters called hands, and each plant generally produces only one large bunch in its lifetime, requiring careful monitoring by farmers for proper growth, pest management, and disease prevention. Since bananas are highly susceptible to pests like the banana weevil, and diseases such as the devastating Panama disease, which has wiped out entire banana varieties in the past, making the selection of resistant cultivars and sustainable farming practices critical to the health of the plantation and the stability of the global banana supply. And once the bananas have reached the appropriate stage of maturity, usually when they are still green to ensure they can survive transport, they are carefully harvested, a process that is far from simple due to the weight of the bunches and the delicate nature of the fruit, which bruises easily and can spoil if mishandled. And on large plantations, teams of skilled workers use sharp machetes or long-handled knives to cut the bunch from the plant, sometimes with the assistance of cranes or mechanical lifts for the heaviest loads, immediately followed by washing and sorting to remove dirt, latex, and insects, as well as grading each banana by size, shape, and quality, often using advanced machinery to automate the process in high-volume operations, while smaller or artisanal farms rely on human inspection to ensure only the highest quality bananas are packaged for shipment. And after sorting, the bananas are carefully packed into ventilated, corrugated cardboard boxes designed to protect the fruit during long-distance transport, usually by refrigerated trucks or cargo ships that maintain temperatures around 13 to 14 degrees Celsius to prevent premature ripening and spoilage. And the logistics involved in this global supply chain are staggering, as bananas harvested in Ecuador may be on a journey lasting several weeks before they arrive in Europe or North America, with timing and coordination being essential to ensure the fruit reaches ripening facilities at exactly the right stage, where temperature, humidity, and ethylene gas are controlled to trigger uniform ripening, transforming the green, firm bananas into the familiar yellow, sweet, and soft fruit that consumers recognize. And these ripening rooms are marvels of modern agricultural engineering, capable of handling millions of bananas at a time, with sophisticated ventilation systems, ensuring even gas distribution and monitoring technology that tracks ripeness levels in real time, while maintaining conditions that minimize waste and prevent over-ripening. And speaking of waste, the banana industry also faces environmental and social challenges, including deforestation, water use, pesticide application, labor practices, and the threat of monoculture vulnerabilities, which has led many companies and farms to adopt sustainable certifications, fair trade practices, and more eco-friendly growing methods, from integrated pest management to organic cultivation and improved waste management, all aimed at reducing the ecological footprint of banana production while supporting the livelihoods of workers and communities in producing regions. And after the ripening process, the bananas are transported to supermarkets and retailers around the world, often via refrigerated trucks and air-conditioned containers, where they are carefully displayed to maintain freshness, with constant monitoring to rotate stock and reduce spoilage, ensuring that consumers receive bananas that are not only aesthetically perfect, but also delicious and safe to eat. And while this may seem like a simple fruit, the story of bananas is a testament to human ingenuity, precision agriculture, and global coordination, as the industry supports millions of jobs, feeds billions of people, and represents a multi-billion-dollar business that has been shaped by centuries of cultivation, trade, and technological innovation. And beyond the plantations, processing also includes producing banana-based products, such as dried bananas, banana chips, purees, baby food, and even banana-flavored snacks, each requiring specialized processing techniques, quality control measures, and packaging solutions to preserve flavor, texture, and nutritional value, all while meeting stringent food safety standards and international export regulations. And the remarkable scale of banana production is highlighted by the fact that an estimated 100 billion bananas are consumed globally every year, meaning that at any given moment, countless workers, machines, and logistical systems are at work moving bananas from tropical farms to distant shelves. And this includes the countless small details that ensure quality, from washing and waxing bananas to applying protective coatings in some cases, to monitoring ripeness using color charts and ethylene gas sensors, to coordinating shipping schedules across oceans, ports, and land transportation, all of which requires a combination of advanced technology and human expertise. And even the banana packaging itself is carefully designed to withstand rough handling during transit, often incorporating padding, airflow designs, and moisture control, while also minimizing environmental impact, with some companies experimenting with biodegradable materials and reusable crates, highlighting how even a humble banana reflects modern challenges and solutions in agriculture, sustainability, and global trade. And yet, despite the immense scale and complexity, the ultimate goal remains simple: delivering fresh, tasty, and nutritious bananas to millions of people around the world every day, a process that combines centuries of agricultural knowledge with cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning. And next time you peel a banana, it's worth remembering that this simple act connects you to a global network of farmers, scientists, engineers, and logisticians, all working together to ensure that one of the world's most beloved fruits reaches your table in perfect condition. And the story of bananas also highlights fascinating cultural, economic, and scientific aspects, from the domestication of wild banana species in Southeast Asia thousands of years ago to the modern development of disease-resistant varieties, the expansion of plantations in Latin America, Africa, and Asia during colonial and post-colonial periods, and the ongoing research into sustainable farming practices and genetic improvements that promise to secure banana production for the future, while simultaneously addressing climate change, soil depletion, water management, and ethical labor practices, all of which make the banana industry a prime example of how global food systems are intricately interconnected and reliant on both natural ecosystems and human ingenuity. And as we explore the banana journey from farm to table, we see how labor-intensive the process is, with teams of workers coordinating planting, maintenance, harvesting, sorting, packaging, and shipping on an almost industrial scale, often facing challenging working conditions, yet demonstrating remarkable skill, precision, and resilience. And despite technological advances like automated sorting machines, cranes, and shipping containers with climate control, human oversight remains critical to ensure quality, detect defects, and manage complex logistics, proving that even in an age of mechanization, the human touch is essential in delivering billions of bananas worldwide. And this intricate combination of biology, agriculture, engineering, logistics, and economics is why the banana story is not just about fruit, but about the astonishing journey of how billions of bananas are harvested and processed every year, connecting tropical farms to urban markets, feeding communities, sustaining economies, and illustrating how something as simple as a banana reflects the incredible complexity, coordination, and care involved in modern global food production. A story that continues to evolve as new technologies, sustainability practices, and scientific innovations shape the future of banana farming, ripening, and distribution, ensuring that for generations to come, bananas remain one of the most accessible, delicious, and universally loved fruits on the planet. And this remarkable journey from the tropical sun to your table reminds us that even everyday items carry incredible stories, and understanding the full life cycle of bananas gives us a greater appreciation for the hidden systems and human effort that make our lives possible. highlighting that behind every peel lies decades of agricultural tradition, modern scientific research, international logistics, and global collaboration, all converging to deliver billions of bananas every year to people across the globe.